Welcome everyone to the Blackboard tutorial on access and navigation. This is a video created by Auburn University at Montgomery's Office of Distance Education. And in this video, we'll be showing from the student perspective how to access your courses and how to navigate within and between your courses. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to access your Blackboard account. So I'll go over to bblearn.aum.edu. That's one way to access Blackboard. You can also access Blackboard by going to your My AUM portal and clicking on the Blackboard icon there. That's going to take you to this site, and you're going to enter the username and password that you use all throughout the AUM system here. So I'll sign in as a test student. And when you first log into Blackboard, it's going to take you to our institutional page that has any information that's shared with the entire university. So here we have a little announcement here for online students. And I'm going to go through this left-hand navigation. And this is outside of your Blackboard course. This is your entire Blackboard account. So as I mentioned, we're seeing the institutional page now. Right underneath that, you're going to see your name, and that's your profile. So you'll see things like your display name, your email address. One of the key things that you might be editing here is your notifications. So how are you going to get notifications about your course? You can change the email notifications, the push notifications to your phone, or the stream notifications. And that stream is talking about the next thing down on the list, the activity stream. So if I click on activity stream, that's showing me everything that's happened within my courses. So anything important that's come up, any due dates, I'm going to see that here. All right, if you go next to courses, this is really where you'll be seeing a lot of things that are going on in your courses. This is where you'll be spending a lot of time. So you can either search for a course, you can scroll down the list, but this sample course is what we're going to get into in just a moment. Next, you have organizations, if you're a part of any organizations on campus. Next is your calendar. So this will show up any due dates from instructors in your various courses. You'll see messages here. I have 3 unread messages. And if you look at all of the different courses here, you can see there's an unread message on this course, and I would click that to view the message. You can also see your grades for all of your courses. And if you look at an individual course, you can select View All Work to actually go to that course and see your work there. If you go to Tools, you'll see a few things that you have available to you. You may need some of these things throughout your courses. And here's the button to sign out at the bottom. So let's go back to courses. And we're going to hop into that sample course and walk through how you would navigate within a course. All right, so when I clicked on that course, in this particular course, that took me to the announcements page. Now, this is going to vary depending on the course, and a lot of things will vary depending on the course, as your instructor can modify these settings. But in this course, I clicked on the course and it took me straight to announcements. So up here at the top, we have the course, Math 101, and then it shows me where in the course I am. Right now I'm in the announcements section. So up here at the top is going to show you where you are in the course, and these things are clickable. You can click back to go back to where you were. We also have a navigation on the left-hand side. And like I mentioned, this is going to vary depending on the course. We have a start here area. So many courses have this area. It's a great place to go. In this course, we have the syllabus, we have a course orientation, we have a discussion board with questions and answers if you want to participate in that. So always be on the lookout for a start here. As I mentioned, we also have that announcements area. Oftentimes, instructors will add an instructor information tab that would have their contacts here. And in this course, all of the content is in the content tab. Now, again, you may not have a content tab. You may have the modules, the weeks listed over here. But in this course, we have a content tab. And you'll see all of the folders for the week. So this is where this instructor would put all of the information you might need. You can go into the weeks, see the lectures, the homework assignments, the discussions. And again, if you want to go back to content, you can see that top navigation. There's a content option, so you can select content, and now you're back one level to the folders. All right, there's also a discussions area here where you can see all of the discussions. There's a My Grades area. You can see all of the assignments that you've submitted, all of the assignments that are due. I can see here for discussion, this has already been graded. If I look at quiz, this means I have started it. It's in progress, but not submitted. And here for homework, this means I've submitted it, but it still needs grading. And underneath, we have several links for Blackboard help or AUM resources. So you can click on those links and explore if there's anything you need, any help that you need. We also have a tools area. And this will just depend on your instructor. Maybe some of the things that you'll need are found here. So again, this black navigation is going to change from course to course, but in general, that's going to be where you're going to click in order to navigate around your course. So one last thing, there is an option to collapse this black menu. So you'll see if I hover over it, a gray bar will appear that says hide course menu, and that'll go away. And so if you've done that, you may not see that black menu, you may be confused. So just make sure if you've hidden that, that you hover over that gray area to show that course menu.